important than studying any right. Because, in my opinion, a person cannot be judged according to the marks that he gains. You must always remember that marks is not an index of a person. What is more important in life is the culture that he develops, is the knowledge that he gains, not the marks. Marks just is important to get a good institution to study and move forward. Even if someone does not get a good rank, he can always, a person who gets a good rank may get a head start, but a person who is worth but he fails that day on the day of examination and exam, a little lower rank, may also go into a substandard institution, but in his career he can always come friend. In my opinion, studying for 18 hours, 22 hours is of no meaning. Studying for the minimum time or the up to the time until which you have your interest, up to that time when you study, you will have all the things which you have studied during that duration fed into your mind. So that is what is more important in my opinion. I always tell this wherever I go. People in Bangalore are not intelligent. They are not great people than who are present in Hassan or any other smaller cities. What is more important is how dedicated your work goes. People there, some of my friends who are present there, they work very hard. We people are very lazy people, even including me, I am very lazy. I sleep, we waste our time, that must not be done. In my opinion, business has always been with me. They have supported me very much. It is this institution which has made me to make my basics very strong. Today I can strongly say that the crux of the concepts are there within me, which cannot be gained without a coaching. A coaching institute always helps a lot because without coaching, you would have to work for 2 to 3 times more than how much you would need to work when you are in a coaching center. Because a coaching center will always give you a stipulated time duration and also it will provide you a proper timetable. If we ourselves try to make up a timetable and try to follow it, it will just last for 1 or 2 months and later we will again become accustomed to things which are not at all there in our timetables. I don't say that you must not watch TV or something like that. You must have leisure time, but the thing is, you must always have time for every single thing. You have in these 2 years, this is specifically for people who are in PU. In these 2 years, you have to forget every single thing. I tell you, after all your exams are over, you will feel such a freedness. You will enjoy that feeling. Once you get to good ranks, you will enjoy that at all. And you will have nearly 3 months time to enjoy again. So, whatever you have lost in those 2 years, you can make up in 24 hours each day. How many movies you have not watched, you can watch it now. All the things can be done in these 3 months. But in those 2 years, you have to work very hard. And people who are beginners, that is from 8, 9, 10, you have to enjoy your childhood first. You keep the studies with you, but enjoy your childhood also, because when you enter into first and second PU, the things will be at your neck and you will not have any chance to deviate into any other arts or curriculum, any other thing. You will just be studying about 12, 13 hours a day, and that's all. So, what I always tell is work hard as much as you can. Always when you get into the examination room, never think that I must be the first person in the state or the drops down, you must be knowing why it drops down, why should it go up. So that's what you must know. So best of luck, work hard,